Dinosaurs, the most magnificent creatures to have ever walked the Earth, dominated our planet for over 165 million years, ruling land, sea, and sky in ways that continue to capture our imagination today. From tiny feathered creatures no bigger than a chicken to colossal beasts, weighing as much as 10 elephants, dinosaurs evolved into thousands of species that adapted to every conceivable environment and ecological niche. Their story is one of incredible diversity, evolutionary innovation, and ultimate survival as birds. The living descendants of dinosaurs continue to soar through our skies today. To understand the complete history of these remarkable creatures, we must journey back over 230 million years to the dawn of the Mesozoic era, when the first dinosaurs emerged in a world vastly different from our own. The story of dinosaurs begins in the late Triassic period, around 230 million years ago, when the Earth was a dramatically different place than it is today. The supercontinent Pangaea dominated the globe, with vast deserts covering much of the interior, while the climate was hot and humid with no polar ice caps. During this time, the first dinosaurs evolved from a group of reptiles called archosaurs, which also gave rise to crocodiles and pterosaurs. These early dinosaurs were relatively small bipedal creatures that walked upright on their hind legs, distinguishing them from the sprawling reptiles that dominated the landscape. Among the earliest known dinosaurs were Eoraptor and Herrerasaurus, discovered in Argentina, which showed the basic body plan that would be refined and diversified over the following millions of years. The early dinosaurs faced fierce competition from other reptile groups, including the dominant archosaurs called pseudosuchians, which included the ancestors of modern crocodiles. However, dinosaurs possessed several key advantages that would eventually lead to their success, including more efficient locomotion due to their upright stance, improved breathing systems that allowed for greater activity levels, and potentially more advanced parental care behaviors. The late Triassic also saw the emergence of the first major dinosaur groups, including the long-necked sauropodomorphs and the bipedal theropods, which would become the dominant predators of the Mesozoic era. The end of the Triassic period, around 201 million years ago, was marked by a mass extinction event that eliminated many of the dinosaurs' competitors and opened up new ecological niches for them to exploit. This extinction event, possibly caused by massive volcanic eruptions, allowed dinosaurs to diversify rapidly and become the dominant terrestrial vertebrates. The subsequent Jurassic period, often called the Golden Age of dinosaurs, saw an explosion of dinosaur diversity and the evolution of some of the most iconic species we know today, including the massive sauropods that would become the largest land animals ever to exist. The Jurassic period, from 201 to 145 million years ago, witnessed the rise of the giant sauropods, including Diplodocus brachiosaurus and Apatosaurus, which developed incredibly long necks to reach vegetation high in the trees. These herbivorous giants could grow to lengths of over 100 feet and weights exceeding 80 tons, requiring massive amounts of plant material to sustain their enormous bodies. The period also saw the evolution of the first known bird, Archaeopteryx, which, preserved beautifully in the fine limestone of Germany, showed the clear transition from dinosaurs to birds, with features including feathers, wings, and a wishbone alongside dinosaurian characteristics like teeth, claws, and a long bony tail. The Jurassic theropods included fearsome predators like Allosaurus, which hunted the abundant herbivorous dinosaurs of the period. These carnivorous dinosaurs developed increasingly sophisticated hunting strategies and physical adaptations, including powerful jaws filled with sharp teeth, strong limbs for pursuing prey, and enhanced senses for detecting food. The period also saw the evolution of the first armored dinosaurs, including Stegosaurus, with its distinctive backplates and spiked tail, which provided protection against the era's formidable predators. The Cretaceous period, from 145 to 66 million years ago, represents the final and longest chapter in dinosaur history, characterized by incredible diversity and the evolution of many of the most famous dinosaur species. This period saw the breakup of Pangaea into smaller continents, more similar to today's configuration, leading to isolated populations of dinosaurs that evolved unique characteristics on different landmasses. The Cretaceous also witnessed significant changes in plant life, with the evolution of flowering plants that provided new food sources and habitats for dinosaurs. early Cretaceous dinosaurs included the massive predator Giganotosaurus, which may have been larger than the famous Tyrannosaurus rex, and the sail-backed Spinosaurus, which recent discoveries suggest was semi-aquatic and fed primarily on fish. The period also saw the rise of the hadrosaurs, or duck-billed dinosaurs, which developed complex social behaviors and sophisticated communication systems using their elaborate head crests. These herbivorous dinosaurs lived in large herds and cared for their young in communal nesting grounds, providing protection and food for their offspring. The late Cretaceous brought forth some of the most iconic dinosaurs, including Tyrannosaurus rex, the ultimate apex predator with bone-crushing jaws and teeth the size of bananas. T-Rex lived in what is now North America, alongside the three-horned Triceratops and the heavily armored Ankylosaurus, creating a diverse ecosystem of predators and prey. During this time, dinosaurs had evolved feathers, not just for flight, but also for display insulation and possibly even communication, with many theropods sporting colorful plumage that rivaled modern birds. The Cretaceous period also witnessed remarkable innovations in dinosaur reproduction and development. Many species built elaborate nests and engaged in complex parental care behaviors, with some theropods sitting on their eggs like modern birds, while others brought food to their young. The discovery of dinosaur eggs and nests has revealed that these ancient creatures were far more nurturing and social than previously imagined, with evidence of herding behavior, cooperative hunting, and even possible migration patterns. The diversity of late Cretaceous dinosaurs was staggering, with species ranging from the tiny Microraptor with its 4 wings to the colossal Argentinosaurus, which may have reached lengths of over 130 feet. Ceratopsians like Triceratops and Styracosaurus developed increasingly elaborate frills and horns for display and defense, while the dome-headed Pachycephalosaurus may have engaged in head-butting contests similar to modern bighorn sheep. The period also saw the evolution of the largest flying creatures ever to exist, including the pterosaur Quetzalcoatlus, with a wingspan exceeding 35 feet. The golden age of dinosaurs came to an abrupt end 66 million years ago with the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event, commonly known as the KPG extinction. This catastrophic event eliminated non-avian dinosaurs, along with about 75% of all species on Earth, marking the end of the Mesozoic era and the beginning of the age of mammals. The extinction was caused by a combination of factors, including the impact of a massive asteroid or comet near what is now the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico, and intense volcanic activity in what is now India. The asteroid impact created a crater over 100 miles in diameter and released energy equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs, sending massive amounts of debris into the atmosphere and blocking out sunlight for months or possibly years. This impact winter caused global temperatures to plummet and disrupted photosynthesis, leading to the collapse of food chains worldwide. The massive volcanic eruptions in India's Deccan Traps may have already been stressing ecosystems with their release of toxic gases and climate-altering emissions, making dinosaurs more vulnerable to the final asteroid impact. However, the story of dinosaurs did not end with the KPG extinction, as one group of theropod dinosaurs had already evolved into birds during the Jurassic period. These avian dinosaurs possessed key adaptations, including flight feathers, hollow bones, and efficient respiratory systems that allowed them to survive the extinction event that eliminated their non-flying relatives. Today, over 10,000 species of birds represent the living legacy of dinosaurs, making them the most successful group of land vertebrates on Earth. The scientific study of dinosaurs began in the early 19th century, with the discovery of fossilized bones and teeth that were initially misidentified as belonging to giant lizards. The first dinosaur to be scientifically described was Megalosaurus in 1824, followed by Iguanodon and Hylaeosaurus, leading to the coining of the term dinosaur, meaning terrible lizard, by British paleontologist Richard Owen in 1842. These early discoveries sparked public fascination with these ancient creatures and laid the foundation for the modern science of paleontology. The late 19th and early 20th centuries witnessed the famous Bone Wars between American paleontologists Othniel Charles Marsh and Edward Drinker Cope, who competed fiercely to discover and name new dinosaur species. Their rivalry led to the discovery of many iconic dinosaurs, including Stegosaurus, Triceratops, and Brontosaurus, while advancing our understanding of dinosaur anatomy and evolution. The period also saw the development of modern excavation techniques and the establishment of major natural history museums that continue to house important dinosaur collections today. The dinosaur renaissance of the 1960s and 1970s revolutionized our understanding of these ancient creatures, transforming them from sluggish, cold-blooded reptiles into active, warm-blooded animals capable of complex behaviors. Scientists like John Ostrom and Robert Bakker presented evidence that dinosaurs were dynamic creatures with sophisticated social structures, rapid growth rates, and possibly even advanced cognitive abilities. This new view of dinosaurs was supported by discoveries of fossilized dinosaur tracks showing evidence of herding behavior and nest sites revealing parental care. Modern dinosaur research has been transformed by new technologies, including CT scanning, which allows scientists to study the internal structure of fossils without damaging them, and computer modeling that helps reconstruct how dinosaurs moved and behaved. Recent discoveries have revealed that many dinosaurs were covered in feathers, including some species that were brilliantly colored, while others possessed complex air sacs, similar to modern birds that enhanced their breathing efficiency and may have contributed to their success. The discovery of soft tissue preservation in some dinosaur fossils has provided unprecedented insights into their biology, with researchers finding evidence of blood vessels, proteins, and even possible DNA fragments. These findings have revolutionized our understanding of dinosaur physiology and have provided new tools for studying their evolution and relationship to modern animals. The field of molecular paleontology continues to push the boundaries of what we can learn from ancient fossils. Dinosaurs have had an enormous impact on popular culture, inspiring countless books, movies, and documentaries that have shaped public perception of these ancient creatures. From the early stop-motion films of Ray Harryhausen to the groundbreaking computer graphics of Jurassic Park, dinosaurs have captured the imagination of people worldwide and continue to be among the most popular subjects in natural history museums. These portrayals, while not always scientifically accurate, have inspired countless young people to pursue careers in paleontology and related fields. The study of dinosaurs has also provided crucial insights into evolution, extinction, and the history of life on Earth. By examining how dinosaurs adapted to changing environments and survived multiple extinction events, scientists have gained valuable perspectives on how life responds to environmental challenges. This knowledge is increasingly relevant as we face modern environmental crises and work to understand how current species might adapt to rapid climate change. Recent discoveries continue to reshape our understanding of dinosaur biology and evolution, with new species being discovered at an unprecedented rate. Findings from around the world, including feathered dinosaurs from China, massive sauropods from Argentina, and unusual horned dinosaurs from North America, demonstrate that we have only scratched the surface of dinosaur diversity. Each new discovery adds pieces to the puzzle of how these remarkable creatures lived, evolved, and ultimately gave rise to the birds we see today. The legacy of dinosaurs extends far beyond their impressive size and fearsome appearance, encompassing innovations in locomotion, reproduction, parental care, and social behavior that continue to influence life on Earth today. Their story reminds us of the power of evolution to create remarkable diversity and the importance of adaptation in the face of changing environments. From the smallest feathered theropod to the largest sauropod, dinosaurs represent one of evolution's greatest success stories, demonstrating that life finds a way to thrive even in the most challenging circumstances. As we continue to uncover new dinosaur fossils and develop new technologies to study them, our understanding of these ancient creatures continues to evolve. The story of dinosaurs is ultimately a story of survival, innovation, and adaptation that offers valuable lessons for understanding the history of life on Earth and the challenges facing modern ecosystems. Their reign may have ended 66 million years ago, but their descendants continue to soar through our skies, reminding us that dinosaurs never truly went extinct, they simply learned to fly. Thanks for watching. If you find this information useful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos about natural history and the fascinating creatures that have shaped our planet throughout time.